All right, what's going on, y'all? So we back again. We got 1964 Impala. This your first time here. Take you all around the car, interior, exterior, lift it up on the rack so you can see underneath it, and then take it on a test drive. You got other questions? Obviously, we can't show everything in the video. Give us a call, 256-801-4409. So we're gonna get into this one. Like I said, 1964 Impala. Pretty solid car, black. Paint obviously looks like it's been repainted. It looks pretty good. We're gonna start over here on this passenger side. It's got a little pinstripe going down it, purple and white. New tires, it looks like. Paint is pretty solid. A little bit better than driver's quality in my opinion. I don't see any oxidation or anything. We're gonna move on down the doors. I don't see any major waves or dents that need to be pointed out. You guys can see how the light is reflecting. Not any distortion or anything going on. Antenna is broke on this. This car is here on consignment, so we didn't pull it off. We didn't want to, mess with their stuff. Looking at the roof of the car, again, you can see how the lights reflect. Paint is pretty solid. Don't have any dents or dings on there. It is badged as an SS, but verifying by the VIN, it is not a true SS. Chrome looks beautiful on this car. I don't have any rust, any dents. Looks pretty solid. Trim rings around the tail lights look great. And then here's our trunk. Got a couple of imperfections. Looks like some paint pop and things like that. But again, no dents. Body seems to be pretty solid. Looking down that driver's side, nothing to really point out. Door seems to be properly aligned. Chrome looks good on the door handle and the mirror itself. Windshield solid, no cracks, no rot chips. And let me get around this lift. Coming to the front, you guys will see more of the chrome as I lift the car up. I know it's hard to see it from the top, but the top looks beautiful. Let's see, pop this. By the cast numbers, I believe this is a 350. So somebody dropped the crate 350 in there, one GM crate motors. Manual brakes. It's got a newer alternator. Oh, let's see. We got power steering, non-AC equipped vehicle. Relatively clean under here. Shut that for the test drive. Interior looks solid. 4-speed car. Got the Hurst shifter. Okay, got 3 circle keys on here, so gotta guess which one is for the trunk. Here we go. All right, trunk looks good. Pans are nice and solid, no soft spots. Got a little bit of surface rust from things scratching, but that's it. Looks beautiful. So very, very nice trunk. Let's go ahead and get on the interior. Beautiful black interior. Cloth and leather, or cloth and vinyl, shall I say. No rips or tears on that rear seat. Looks pretty solid. Speakers look like they've been upgraded to some Alpines. Manual windows. Headliner's solid, not sagging. Passenger front seat, no rips or tears. Carpet looks to be in pretty good condition. No burn holes or anything. Doesn't smell like smoke in here. Our door panel looks solid. And we have a beautiful dash with no warping or cracks. Gauges have been replaced. What are these? Pro comps. So, auto meters. I knew they were auto meters. So, pretty nice gauges and dash. You can get on over here to the driver's side. Driver's side seat looks good as well. And so does our panel. Mileage reads 10,698. That's what the odometer reads. So give me a moment. We're gonna knock out this test drive. All right, y'all, we're getting started on the test drive in the Impala. We'll go ahead and fire her up. Nice little idle. Got oil pressure. We'll see if the temp comes up. We got voltage. Tank reads a little bit under a quarter. No reason to believe these gauges aren't accurate. They're all new. Check the radio. Radio does work. Wipers work. Windows are manual. Horn works. And let's see the left and right. Right turn signal works. left turn signal works. And let's check headlights. Headlights are on, gauge is lit up, and I can see them reflecting off the Hummer up there. Non-AC car, so go ahead and roll. I can say she definitely sounds good. We about to get some rain today, so she definitely got a little bit of juice to her, a little bit more than what that 327 would have had in it, or that inline 6 if you was unfortunate. Manual brakes, how the manual brakes feel?
Feel good, stop straight.
Yeah, she's stopping straight. Forgot I got an aftermarket steering wheel too, one of the grants. Forgot to point that out.
Temperature gauge is coming up.
Yeah, temp gauge is coming up, getting close to about 150. Running through the gears pretty smooth. Don't hear any weird sounds, no built squeal, no exhaust leaks or anything, no ticking. Windows are not rattling in the doors either.
It's a 4-speed shift, it feels like a 3-speed.
Everything appears to be working. We got 60 PSI on the oil, so it's doing what it's supposed to. Temp still steadily climbing, so I think we're pretty solid here. So I'm gonna get her back on the rack and we are gonna check out underneath. All right, y'all, we got the 64 up on the rack. So far looking pretty clean. Bumper looks good, chrome is nice and bright. Gas tank looks solid. I don't have any signs of leaks or anything there. Trunk pans look good. I don't have any rust or anything I can show. Drum brakes in the rear, everything appears to be completely stock. I'm gonna go down the passenger side. Floors look phenomenal. Exhaust was done at some point from the headers up, but floors do look great. I don't have any soft spots. I don't have anything that I can point out here. X-frame looks good. Past driver side, again, floors look phenomenal. I don't have anything I can point out there. No leaks from the oil or trans pan. All right, let's get up further. Drums in the rear as well. Looks like all stock suspension. Rack and pinion steering. I don't see any leaks there. Again, front bumper looks great too. Don't have any rust or dents that I can point out. Coming on over to the passenger side. Wheels look new. Let me see if I can see the date code. I found one on another wheel. Body looks solid. I don't have any bubbling or anything. It's clearly been resprayed at one point in time. Looks clean. Rear quarters look solid. Nothing we can point out there. Coming down the driver's side. Quarters definitely look good. Very solid body for sure. So let's get her down.